Okay, we're here, Chelsea.
Yay! We are here!
Hey, girls. Hey, Elsa.
Where is Annie and Elsie?
Oh, Chelsea, they've been waiting for you in their bedroom.
Oh, let me go. I can't wait to see them.
Hey, Barbie, I just put a pot of tea. You want some? Sure. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Hey, Barbie. Hey, how's it going, Anna?
Hi, Annie. Hi, Elsie.
Hi.
Whoa, is that a ginormous gumball machine? That's why we've been waiting for you. Yeah, Mommy got us a really big gumball machine. Isn't it so cool? It looks super cool. I can't wait to try it. How does it work? Well, I have a coin right over here. Put it in. Twist it. And voila! Oh, I love this. Can I please try it? And can I please eat the gumball over there? I love gumballs. Yeah, sure. Get it. This is so good. Here, I have a coin. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, let me just put it in. Woo! Oh, I got a red one. Enough of the gumballs. Let me show you the Lego we got. Okay, I guess. Annie, which one do you want to build? Well, whichever you want. I love Lego. What about you, Chelsea? It doesn't matter. Where are you looking? Just at the gumball machine. You guys can make whatever you want. I'll just look at the gumball machine. Okay. Oh, I love these gumballs. So colorful. Oh, you need to put a coin each time you want to get a gumball. I don't have enough money. I wish I could get a lot of them at once. Maybe if I could go inside the gumball machine and get them all. But Elsie and Anya are here. Elsie, can you please get me a drink? Sure. Anya, I'm a little hungry. Can you please get me something to eat? Okay. I'll get you some fresh strawberries. Yes, finally I can go up. Almost there. Wee! I'm here. Oops. Drop the cap. Let me go in. Let me go in. Oh, there's so many colorful gumballs. I'm gonna eat them all. So tasty. Oh, don't touch your gumballs. Let me quickly go down until someone sees me. This seems too high. Oh no, I'm scared. Help! Whoa, Chelsea, how'd you get up there? I'm scared. Mommy!
What? Whoa, Chelsea, how did you get up there? Oh, Chelsea, don't worry, hon. We'll get you down. Don't worry. Don't move, okay?
I'm scared, Barbie. Help me.
Yeah, hang on there. Don't worry, hon. We'll get you down. Okay, I got the ladder. Don't worry, Chelsea. We'll get you down. Oh, Chelsea. Come here, hon. I gotcha.
I just want a lot of gumballs. That's why I climbed up.
You could have gotten really hurt. You should never climb up so high. It's dangerous.
Okay, I'll never do that again.
Good girl.
I'm so sorry, Auntie Elsa, and everybody. I'm really sorry.
Well, we're really glad you're safe, Chelsea. That's all that matters. Come on, everyone. I made special spaghetti with meatballs. Yum, let's go.
Yay, I love spaghetti and meatballs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.